Tourism Fiji Chair and Board of Directors, and I understand the Chairman is out of the country. Tourism Fiji Chief Executive Officer and his team, invited guests, tourism industry stakeholders, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinakana, very good morning to you all. Before I begin, let us please once again pay tribute to one of the tourism industry's biggest icon, a person who devoted his life to develop Fiji tourism industry to where we are today, the late Mr. Dixon Sito. His passing away in July this year was a huge loss for all of us. I'm sure if he was around, he would have literally taken me in a corner and would have said, "Minister, do you have a few minutes? I want to discuss something with you." And when he says that, he means tourism. He wants to talk about the industry. So it is our responsibility, ladies and gentlemen, to continue his legacy so that all that he believed in continues to live on for the betterment of the tourism industry. Ladies and gentlemen, in the spirit of continuity, I'm pleased to be here today at this important event in tourism industry's annual calendar. Although we are no strangers, this is my first industry day as the minister responsible for tourism. Today we share with you a global update on Tourism Fiji's key projects and plans, which will allow you to hear directly from our marketing teams in Fiji and in the region. I'm also informed that Tourism Fiji will showcase the new website, brand, and share plans for the next phase of the Bolognese campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, your contribution to Tourism Fiji's program for the next year is very important. And I always challenge Tourism Fiji and other statutory organization that comes under me. And particularly if that statutory organization deals with promotion, that is very important that we must consult the stakeholders. At the end of the day, the government contributes large sum of money in promoting Fiji for different purposes. Of course, tourism, then filmmaking in Fiji, and of course, attracting investors. And we have to make sure that we do that in consultation with the private sector. So let's strengthen the partnerships to carry the dynamic tourism industry forward as the impetus to our Fijian economy. Fiji's tourism industry, without a doubt, contributes significantly to our economy and is the largest foreign exchange earner. I'm aware of the enormous responsibility that comes with managing a key sector which contributes almost 40% to the country's GDP. It is incredibly fulfilling to know the work that we do has a huge impact on Fiji and makes a difference in the lives of Fijians, which makes it all the more gratifying. On this note, I thank you all for your efforts in engaging with the ministry in the implementation of the Fijian Tourism 2021. There have been notable achievements to date, including the completion of several studies to farm to tourist table, cruise impact study, destination comparative study, and others to which work has begun on the implementation of recommendations from these studies. Ladies and gentlemen, as most of you are aware, the Fijian government through the FT 2021 aims to achieve a $2.2 billion industry by 2021. We want to open our shores to new and high-value markets. This includes maintaining our key markets and also paying special attention to emerging ones. Recent statistics by the United Nations World Tourism Organization forecasts a global 3 to 4% increase for 2019, including strong outbound travel from emerging markets such as India and Russia. Fiji is not an exception. Year to date, October, arrivals from Russia noted a 39.6% growth, whilst India grew 7.6% compared to the same period last year. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why we're all here today, to understand how the global tourism landscape is evolving, who our potential customers are or could be, and how we intend on marketing ourselves strategically with the right messaging. So everything that will be presented today will ultimately benefit you. So you have a big say in this. We will pay special attention to having in place regional brands that complement our national one. This will mean you as custodians of your respective region will need to take ownership as well as have pride in what is distinct to your special regions. This can only be achieved through continuous collaboration and partnership between the Fijian government, the marketing arm of Tourism Fiji, and partners of the Fijian tourism industry. Our visitors come from all parts of the world to see and experience our naturally beautiful islands, our warm and friendly people, like no other Bula spirit that's bursting with life and happiness. I would also like to acknowledge Tourism Fiji's efforts in the brand revitalization, which is a crucial marketing component for brand Fiji across all key source markets. Through this, you, our key stakeholders, can become custodians of the brand in your respective regions. I'm also pleased to announce that Tourism Fiji has revamped its website, which I'm sure the team will do more justice presenting it. With fresh content being constantly updated, we can showcase better Fiji's vibrant and ever-changing industry. The new site is user-friendly with interactive imagery, videos, and has many features that allows potential travelers to see and explore the activities on offer in Fiji at a touch of a button. The new assets and videos also helps attract new customers to our website, which is always a plus. Ladies and gentlemen, you have received a copy of Tourism Fiji's 2020 calendar of activities, which outlines the great opportunities ahead. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of your cooperation and support in strengthening our presence in our strategic markets. With those words, I encourage you all to talk to Tourism Fiji and the ministry here today, because it is only by openly communicating and working together that true progress is made. So this partnership is the best catalyst for the continued growth of our tourism industry. So ladies and gentlemen, finally I want to say thank you very much for your contribution you have made to our GDP, to our economy, and to the lives of our people. 40% contribution to GDP is no joke, it's substantial, and that must be recognized. And finally, I would like to encourage you once again that your contribution is very, very important for Tourism Fiji. If you have any ideas, what you want to do, how you want to do it, please share with our team. They look forward to new ideas, they look forward to emerging markets, and they look forward to serving the tourism stakeholders present in this room. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a nice day. Vinaka.